What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things we're gonna share with the my people, and you know what I mean, Jagger, baby mother, Chanel, as you don't know, you know what I mean. Ivany link her up, and I go do some things for her. You see it, cause she must feel a way. Or when she did forward on the live and I beg her something, and Jagger say, Ray. You know what I mean? Cause everybody need a help sometime, you know, my people. You see me? No matter what the help is, you can have all what you feel like, say, you need and want in a life, but there's somebody where you gonna maybe need something from what you can buy or what you can work for. You see me? So that no totally different from a person where not have it at all and really I look some help, you know what I mean? Some people afraid to come out and ask for the help because them don't want to feel less than themselves, less than a man, less than a woman, you know what I mean? But, you know what I mean? Some of the time you have to do what you have to do, people. You see it? So, we're going to share that with them. We're going you know what I mean? Give me opinion on that. Because, on a level still, you know, people understand what you're going to want her to come beg. But if you don't want her to come beg, you have to um, give her most of what she need. You know what I mean? You have to work harder then. Or forward on TikTok and try get it more than usual to supply our needs. You see me? And the youth them a go back to school. I think today them a start back school. You see me I say? So a whole heap of pressure that still. And it's good for everyone if you see that, you know what I mean? And reach out and do whatever. So we are going to get into that. We also have Ivany and the Lion Man link up with people and them a predict the outcome or the ending of Rosealee and Akeem relationship. You know what I mean? Boy, people, we don't know if it's about that still, you know, but more to tell more the thinking in the comment section. Right? To also figure it out and dive up on live and go on with themselves. We share a little bit of that we do know also. We have cheese come back for Dan, my people come clap back at Dan, cause remember, you know, Dan come out yesterday and deal with cheese away. You see me expose you know what I mean, certain things about she and her baby father and Ray, you see me, so she's come back for her, you know what I mean? We are getting in that. You understand? We have also Shibada, my people. How Shibada her about again? I didn't even remember when people, but we are going to reach there, so we figure that out. You see me I say? So these are the things I don't know if I left out nothing, but I have to share with you know. Maybe add things as I go on, you know what I mean? So I could get in it.
My pop. Pass my phone, give me. Me go block Tom, me I send him a message right now. And say, me tell you this, me not on the boy style with nobody. With the bumbo clock you reach out to me for. And tell me, say, boy, reach out to you. I know when time I make me pick me a chat to boy, I be a mix up. The fuck dear youth. With the bumbo blood clot dear youth. The thing say me a blood, that's why me tell me I avoid every blood clot, but because me make you know the boy, me tell you say, cut off the boy. Cut off the blood clot boy. And you make the boy a push you in a beer back hole. You know see you already. Brother, where reach out to me for and tell me say, dog want in a talking with him son and he want number and the money when he send the time when him a beg blood clot friend. You mean I tell you cut off that suck pussy boy the tamo? Me tell you cut off dog. Me tell you cut off dog. And look on the mix up where you put it in and now. Look on the mix up when put your blood clot in and now. Because if you never reach out to me and tell me, say, oh, me saw him want to talk to him son. I mean, allow it, you know, my youth. All of this gonna happen, you know. Brother, make a block you from my phone. Don't chat.
Man, no say, you a pack up a look boy that one bag of blood clot.
Block your blood clot off from my phone. Can I tell you block the boy? You still not chatting with suck pussy boy.
If him is such a bad person, why him still a call him? Because you can't get where you want and because you can't get where you want now. You social media you come vent pan, you know, because you want the people.
But me never come on social media vent. Are you come out and see me? Are you come out and see me dirty pussy Dan Reed? Are you come out and talk about how much? Me hungry. That's why me have to keep baby shower and pick the reach out to man and one whole story. It is on a recording. it is on a recording. That is why I come out and I show the people them say, nothing not go on for me, and this man not give Pitney nothing. And if I reach out to, if I make him little boy, I reach out to him for back to school, why you should have a problem with that? Every girl you bantan can, no baby father never give you nothing. Move your donut pussy blood clot down. Go, move. Dirt alert, move.
Mercy pan your blood clot and them no know say you one wicked. Nah,
Me no
ungrateful blood clot.
Me no wicked more than you a blood clot, and you are the ungrateful dirty bitch. Cause me the only one lift up your face off for the ground no blood clot. All these years me know you. You never have a right in hairstyle until me put my hand in your head. Dirty fuck out stinking woman. Yes, you're not a ugly bitch, but you have a ugly look I walk with. Move your donut bumbo long way.
Not a stinking girl.
Stink more than you, and you want the gate to stink this.
Enough people just show.
And nobody, everybody has said cheese me rate you. Go and go look for most of my video them. Remember good, and you, the people them a find out and say you're a big dirty liar boy. Where? Everything when me say come to pass.
I said, Dan, you did that tell we a long time, but we never believe. A long time you that tell we, but we see it for true.
Who do that? Me not see nobody do that. How come everything else gets screen recorded, but that not get screen recorded? Please repost. Please repost it, Dan. Cause you have yes, you're in your back, so you're the host. You can always go in and take out them video there and repost it. So please repost. Make we see the people them.
Yeah. And you come and you go on and you create a scene. And you go out with your blood clot. Oh, you never tell the people them say the main reason why you don't want to man go to Jamaica, you know say man go down there in dead mother. Oh, you never can tell the people them say that was the main, you never want him to blood clot go down there.
Which baby mother? Which baby mother where the man take God off for the cross, say man I know there, call all the woman in front of my face and say, me you there? Me you there? And she said, no, me you just friend. Which one of the baby mother? Because if Shanna K can really remember that night when Andel called you. Remember that fucking night, bitch? It wasn't in front of the wife. It was in front of me. So I don't know what you're talking about. Danny know too much. Me couldn't vex. Me just tell you, say the man, me now feel the man deal with my son away. He met my son, enter him in the living room, my son now in the living room, and we just never want that no more. What if me put him out? Because there's so many reasons, me have so much reason for put him out. And then you go suck my pussy again. Ask me if me kiss him back from him suck my pussy. Ask him if me put back my mouth on him from him suck my clit. Move now. Suck clit. Good is see.
You and your friend them up on the internet, you know. Your friend them or you and them are the friend. We're not no friend no more.
We are still friend. We are still blood clot friend. Abe. And you and your friend them alone and a friend. Me and my friend them are still pussy clot friend. Yeah. The ones them when I fit in my life, them can't in my blood clot life, but we are still friends. You never know that? Oh, now you know.
So them two, you and them a friend, them feel like say what you say are true. Say it's about the little boy. It wasn't about the little boy.
Yeah, you're gone. Watch her. You where she gone in now. It wasn't about little boy. So why we not reunite back? Like oh, man and woman always kick off on them something there. Why we not reunite back? Why? And multiple times, this nigga try to reach out to me. Multiple times, this nigga say, I should have blood clot record Tamo when time Tamo come to me with blood clot news. Go suck your mother down. When you don't know older than your dirty worrying woman. Favor the Grinch.
It wasn't about the little boy.
Area.
It was about the man. You want the man.
Area. Can't bother.
You want the man. It wasn't about the little boy. That's why as the little boy comes up, you did and you watch. Then the man come at your yard. That's why you tell the people them say, the man find your yard. You never come out and tell the people them say, you go for the man the first time. You never
go for the man where? I go for my pit near the blood clot train station. Who come for you? Where you meet me, pop? Talk loud, make the crowd can't hear. Who carry at the train station, pop? Okay, good. Dirty pussy girl, I multiple time a Taya son, that's I mean I tell you say. Taya son and Taje, I them three they come at me yard. And when time I see me lock my blood clot door and embrace my blood clot door after cause I never know say him did I come. I never did know say him did a blood clot come. I never want him on my yard. Ask the man.
Alright, my people, so you are going. We don't have much to say upon that one, yeah? You know what I mean? Me could just go and listen and share the opinion in the comment section, so me go watch some more.
Multiple times him ask for my address. This boy look like him tormented. You have to torment him because all of this done from last year. Come back this year, the same time, this year with the same thing. You know, say last year, October, last year, August the 31st, a boy I get me arrested. You know, them same time, I like he's a fucking, what the fuck is this? Dog, go and get a life, come know you're uncomfortable with the big shape bad wife for you tell me say her belly drop over her pussy. Me don't know how the woman shape. And you tell me how the woman shape. You say the woman sick, you come one time alone a month, you fuck she. I have a blood clot, stop your birth. You tell lie for you, me not tell a lie for you, no brother. You can understand, say you're uncomfortable with the wife, but it's what you choose. I don't know why you're divorced, or why you live with that woman forever. I should do you everything where you get, you dirty germs. Fuck out of here.
You always
hey, black anybody with think we make a vote. Go on, man. One, two, no brother.
I don't know what to find you. You never tell the people them that you come out with half of the blood clot story.
Yeah.
You never tell them that. Because I saw you steer. You always want to look good.
No, I always spit facts. I don't know how else you want me say it. Like you want me tell like for myself. I say me there my yard. My things them pack up because me couldn't afford the rent. Things them pack up. Me that try look a place because me that try move out to New York. To go somewhere where it's much cheaper. I couldn't get nowhere. And when him come, him say him a go work and him a go do this and him a go do that. I say alright then that means we can pay off the rent. And yes, I give him a chance. Which I should give him a chance. You see him I tell you so much, ask him. One time my man did a call me for my ex-man. Because the time them never did a fuck. The ex-man did a call on my phone and him getting him feelings. And start, we are dealing like him want to rush me. When the man a call my phone. I make a big mistake in my life and that was to allow that man to stay in my house. The day when the boy them a go away, I should have said go on with them. No, and stand up strong for my foot. I wanna in a this today, dear. Trust me, I wanna in a this. Ask that man multiple times when him call my phone and ask for my address. What did I say to him? Ask that man how many times him ask me where do I live. Him take up himself, put himself on train and come in at the Bronx and I say, where me address there? Him there so. Him there so. Him want come see me and I tell him no. Miss.
Before Jayden got help Shay fight the battle with she and Candy, Jayden come out with Annie Pan. We come here now. And Annie she torment for your mama every day. Annie you go do with this? Every day? Then I never know so this is gonna be cheese 6 picnic. She's busy at cuff down and she's not sister she a granny and a breed. That be a nasty people living in the world, including me. I be a nasty people living in the world. Then grandma gone after us a picnic. And yeah, show up man, but this is my baby father and him eat my crutches. Nyum nyum nyum. Boy cheese when you sit apart them want vomit. I'm sorry for the man. For have all you attacks to him eat you. Look on you cheese. And you waste your money for go eat crutches and get trick. Yes, Lati. I know you're bright. You know, so I don't really care this on the app. Careless man. Someone has to do it. I don't like the person who will do it quietly. Then what a weird cheese that she go like say she's smart. Come here now. She keep baby shower then come the next day. I come and cry about man give her this and her son for go back. She's gonna suck your mother and go suck the fetus in her you. Go suck that. You're too old to add and bright. We have some germs bag. Imagine you keep baby shower, cause your baby shower favor 9 nights. Sadly to say, hush, but it favor 9 nights for true. It's no nurse, it's true. It favor 9 nights. You keep baby shower, I have ball. She's gonna suck your mom and gonna suck the fetus in your belly. You're too out to other, you plan for ship the picnic in your country. You plan for ship the picnic in Jamaica as it born. And you want drain people energy with your cross itself. Yeah, gender reveal. What baby shower and gender reveal? A gender reveal different from baby shower. I mean, I think they give the same thing when they make a baby shower. They're not so much a 9-9, man. We have third 9-9-9. No, man, that's so much something. I'm glad we're not about that we were born. I'm glad we're born already because that's so much something. Yeah. No, you come. No, but she came, right? She gave a lot of gifts. And then come the next day because you want too much. You want too much. I say me eat the germs, I say the germs them man. And the devil ass with them, you know. You go breathe for man, you can't help you and then take your problems to the net. How the net get involved in that now? Ask the net. You know, she say, you're old girl, you go do body and end up with baby. We can't understand for no surgery. You go do body end up with belly, and then you go come now cry on the internet. Your man give you $700 for back to school, and you want spend it on the little boy where you no want keep. You want spend it big. You want use $700 buy 2 shoes. The man give you $700. What kind of contribution you gonna contribute to pop after you 5 bill? To get the tax money up and you could have put the $300 on it. And that me want you if you could have put the 3 bills on the picnic money. Then what? You could have put it on the money on the 2 wicked. On the 2 wicked. Wicked man. We don't want to ride the internet, ride the internet, ride the internet, ride it. $300 you can't put for your picnic back to school. Kimberly never did so. No, but not lie. You depend on your girlfriend, you now make no effort, right? Fine. In your distress, in your downfall, in your no live no way, in you can't get help, you go breathe for smaddy man. By tomorrow, something again for true. That's it, you don't make a disrespect here.
Hey, the people, that rough still, you know. Me nah lie, you know. Think about it, but people. A woman just go do her body, you know. Feel better about herself, and some of them do it because they want to attract, you know what I mean, a different type of man in them life, and they want to upgrade them things certain way. You understand what I say? And for you go do your body, and remember in our day she's like she slim down, you know, because she did have an excess fat certain way, you know, so she slim down and trim down a little bit, you know, and catch a belly, you know. You see me I say? Boy, my people, I tell you to say, you know, enough woman can't catch back them body when them breed, you know. But she's have how much picnic still, and her body never look bad. So it look like say she have a snapback, she know the remedy outfit, you know what I mean? Get back to her regular looking and something. You know what I mean? So make we see what go on. I see him so with Miss Kitty, you know, look how Miss Kitty do her body, and at least she wear for her a while still, you know what I mean? And since she get old and rare, she get a one youth and she snap back good. You know what I say? So let me know what you're thinking in the comment with people. Make watch some more.
Me a disrespect for true. Una come on the internet, una beg, una lie, una thief, una take the money, go waste it and nobody. Just say, maintain on the careless life, you know. Then now, that do. What else me can do? I'm just bored. Take a girl, man, open your foot, breathe in, things say you're gonna get papers and benefits. You get what me I say? Trump come in the belly, you can't turn back the belly because too old is a big person. Jayden, of course, people for work 9 to 5, I'm giving. You know, see Raja list, you know, see Raja wish list. This is how entitled them feel. You know, see Raja wish list. A 2 barrel of expensive stuff Raja wants, you know. When you never pack go give your family because everything you send come give your family about dirt and dent. Dirt and dent. You never know. All bathroom carry Raja want. You know, see Raja build house. No, I'm not lying. That is why cheese can keep gender reveal and come the next day with problems. The problems there is not the morning you get the problem. You get the problem before the gender reveal. But you want to hustle after the gender reveal and hustle after the problem. Yeah, that's why you splice up the situation. And today you know say your son a $700 send. And today the man take back 3 bills because the man see I get gifts. Can the man got quote so the judge can give 150. Yeah, call Nikki, somebody say, Martin. You're too terrible, man. And sick stomach. Big old girl like you when they put the app and talk so your mouth big. You plan to ship your picnic come to Jamaica for beg on the app. And then you go justify it. Now, where you go beg for your baby so you ship her come to Jamaica and then turn on now and do up on the app again. Tell the people them say, chew me for run up and down, you can't have picnic at this end, bread. Then why you gonna get it? You fight for Papa now, you want to send back Papa the father. But keep him for your time, keep him for all time because you get the tax return. And you get the tax return. Keep him for all time, when our crosses. Exactly. You wish you have somebody to give $700 to start off your picnic school, don't. Save a bills. You want to go in an place because you want to see your little boy at an end. You're picking them money at a table, so not always using a picnic for throw away from society. Me now look for uno. Uno drain energy, uno come like use tea bag. All on the people. They might try report the live. Cheese go. Uno too big and careless. From your reach up at every foreign cheese got cheese live like this. What's new? What should I change? Every opportunity. You know what's funny in life? Some of us parents never get these kind of opportunities, honestly to God. Some of us parents never get these kind of opportunities. And for turn on and see them dog shit here, get them opportunities here and I wasted. It says something bad. It says something off. Now look at it. Your mother, your auntie, your granny, everybody, someone, a grandfather and grandmother never got foreign. All they do are work in the fields. I work at factory. I work for people like Oprah Granny. You understand what I say? They have never given this opportunity, and this might sound simple, but this is my very first time going to Disney. I cry. You know why I cry? When I look back at many persons who this has been their childhood dream, never fulfill it until it just come out of them head. You know some things where you don't see yourself accomplished, you just dismiss it. And when you gain such an opportunity, and for those who never get it, remember your mother never get it, remember your father never get it, remember your grandfather never get it, and you come and buy a vehicle that is in your name. Your family them take bus go work to get a quantity for you go to school so you can come out and gain something in your life where them never have, and you not call that blessing, you not call that opportunity. You know, call that God's grace upon you, where your family they never get. You are inherit more than them. You are living better than your successful generation. Then how successful are you? Discover what? You have to understand all of them something. Thank you, Discover good as. No, people don't appreciate.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We're going to listen to some more and then we'll move on to the next.
Stuff today, everybody live for the hype. When you appreciate, you see, you can't know a man when you're happy. You know a man we really don't happy. I always say for my program, I'm a book up for one motivational speech. I never today or yesterday, one day, I'm sending it to some people. You really can't know a man when not happy. You see a man when not happy, he like proud and excitement. You ever in your house sit and say, a long time you not go out and good God is last week you enjoy yourself. You eat your own. You see when you look on cheese, when you look on all of them people here who run the border, beg on the app, then you can imagine if TikTok they invented in our granny days. And you could have big money like dog. You can imagine how much of our schooling would have better. You can imagine the opportunities that we would have grown into. Oh, remember when you are picnic in the 90s? Oh, remember see some 90s picnic people here, so. Oh, remember when time them young in the 90s? I want to see some 90s people here, so. Okay, unpredictable. You remember in the 90s? When everything, and I want to know, I not talk the people who have parents, we have menu plan from Monday to this, and the parents they will go town on Saturday. You know the good life ones, I not talk about them. I want some inner city folks. I want to talk to some inner city folks who remember on Friday. Somebody said 79 here. But I don't know about that, my love. You understand me? Who remember in the 90s when everything that is fried, you as a child, when everything that is fried on a Friday tasted so good? Who remember when on a Friday, Fiona, when the humblest thing that is prepared in the inner city and being sold, it is so fresh that you want more and more. Who remember when you're a baby and you see your mother, your father, your auntie, whoever carrying KFC, the flavor of KFC was so meaningful to your palate? Who remember those days?
Goosebump, I'm going on my soft girl era and the things them. But what I'm saying is that I'm scared, and this is just something I think everybody think this. I don't know if everybody think this here, but it's just in my inner. I'm scared that Rosealee is going to fall too deep for Akeem, and maybe she's going to fall for Akeem so deep where Akeem might be not expect Rose for fall so deep, or my sister it a go too deep when one draw himself. Not in a bad way, no guys. Me rate Akeem. Me always have love for Rose. No matter you hear me and Rose go down, we still follow each other. Me not this or no, me just go about business. But this is just coming from a woman's perspective. Me just afraid say Rosealee a go fall too deep, and maybe Akeem I try to pull away from Rose falling so deep, and then guess what? He might pull away, but not in a negative ways. And guess what, go on? The back flock, the people them, it go come and class him. You see how everybody rate Akeem now and love him? Remember me tell you, if him ever say him no want it go that deep, and him just a talk for him honest opinion because him no want it go so deep, the same people them will say them love Akeem and support him, and them same one I go turn around, diss him, class him, and say, yeah man, We know you never like Rose. We know what the fame you want. Well, maybe the poor boy just not want it go so deep in the relationship and him not mean no harm and the same people them I go turn on and you go see how them deal with the youth on the internet. Remember we go through this in a jail and we know the people them.
And the worst thing to Vani, you see, the worst thing, you see Rose before and Rose after. If that go on, Rose are gonna be worse than how she usually be at first. She are gonna be worse.
Nothing wrong if you prank. Nothing wrong if you prank the internet and feeling sketch, you know. Remember we are human being, you know. And if you find somebody who treat you good and whatever, you might catch feelings for them. It's natural. You're a female, I'm a male, a man and a woman, one feminine and one strong like uncle. Nothing wrong. But is who fall for who deep and who not really want to fall for study. You know what I mean? So, me just wish the best for them and them for just know say the internet come with a backflash and it can be a very heartbroken one. And people on the internet, the support come real good and the support go real fast. Me now watching no money, me have my little thing I go on, take it from me, me been there, done that. Save on the money, anything wanna get now, save it and just go on the thing. Go and put in the work, go and build on a page, go and have on the name a road. But just know how to do things on the internet and it's turn run for you.
Well, let me say something.
Yes, I said.
Let me say something. Let me say something. You see? You see how Rose lifestyle go?
Right,
Rose
Mr. Drunk send them in my block.
Rose up on live. Rose are doing live and Rose always a send out is either GX or whatever. Akeem not gonna be that type of man that for do them thing there. You see it? Akeem not gonna be the type of man that clean up after Rose. Cause God just feel like say, bro. I don't understand what I say, bro. You don't understand what I say? You must understand what I say, bro.
All me see people I look at Akeem and Rose, me look at them different. Some people look at it as prank, but me I look on it like anything you put in the atmosphere, anything where you put on the table, you dish it out, as some me go accept it. Them a dish out something like them a date for real, so as some me I go accept it. Who is me if I say them a prank, them a prank? But what I must say,
Hey, my people, them say, you know, if you play with fire, you're going to get burned, you know. You see me I say? And one thing me learn in a life is when it comes to like emotions and feelings, don't play with that, you know. Do not play with love. You see me I say? Because that is a dangerous weapon, you know, my people. When it a work with you, it's good and nice and lovely, but it's when it turn against you, may I tell you, remember, you know, love is something we can turn dangerous, you know, my people. You know what I mean? So all of these lovey-dovey and something, it might turn into something dangerous, you know, or real bad for somebody, you know. You know what I mean? Somebody maybe get too attached and end up, yo, people, yo, me know say, do not play with feelings and emotions. You see me I say? It's nice and happy and good, you know. But like what Ivany I say, and the line, you know, that can go on, you know. Because, you know what I mean, yeah, in the beginning you may say, yeah man, this is just for fun and games or whatever. But gradually moving, things start attach, little, you start like certain little things. You know what I mean? When you not get it no more, at that the time they are gonna feel it. Let me know what you think.
if you feel like a Akeem, them not tell you, but me I tell you, if you feel like a Akeem you want, and a Akeem you want there with, you need to get rid of Drakes. Because you can't there with your baby father, and you're in the house, and you take other man outside and him in the you don't know, put the man head chip and the man hurt you. And all these females that are laughing and think this is something good and don't know we another man intention. At one point, I was thinking to myself, say, hey, you know what I think, Jayden? I think say Rosealee tell Drake say it is just for the media. So it might be Drake's no, and Drake's not really say nothing. Drake's are running to say, yeah man, money are coming at the house, so a income, so I'm not really vex. But them are cost per life real. So when my sister them are cost per life, I see you something, so be careful.
Listen, Ivany, listen, we can chat some type of thing on live, say, Akeem now go and be that type of man there, but if you clean up after Rose or whatever, you see it. And them probably having a them mindset, alright, look how we are going to try to prove them wrong, you see it, and actually try to do it, you see it. And when them actually try to do it, Rose go feel like Akeem really want her to true, and Rose will fall deep for that, you see it. Well, when Anna saw the picture go and Rose go even come out worse than how she is there.
But you have to understand, you know, Jayden say, I'm show you a thing with females. You see certain man where we run joke with and we know where we take so we can run joke with them, we not do it to certain man. Alright, watch this now. Some of that with you, Jayden, and some of that with you, and some of that with Josh. Say somebody named Josh, I'm there with Josh. But there with Josh, I know say boy, Josh make me do anything to him. I can't piss pan Josh. I can't send Josh go wash my jars them. Josh just don't make me turn him in a one piece of idiot. Me I turn him in a idiot. Can't want me to turn him in and do everything. But you me there with you now. I'ma rate you upon a level. I'ma like you, I'ma want there with you. I'm not gonna run them the joke there. See, you see when we tell Josh to go wash my jars and Josh have to go wash my jars, me and you the Jayden, me not go dare pass my place till Jayden to go wash my jars. Me go wash my jars myself. If I buckle the ground, me tell Josh to go take up that because I know me can run the risk with Josh. But you, me and you then know I me have love for you and whatever. Me see all your flex. Me not go tell you go take up the back of me. Go take up the back of myself. So it's different. When a woman says she can run certain joke with some man, she gonna know say who for run it with and who not for run with. Who for nasty with and who she not go nasty with. Who for lazy with and who not go lazy with. So me think say Rosealee smart. Rosealee would tell Akeem say go wash that or take up that. She know she not go do that. Notice how Rose a Bvrn. Rose like Akeem for true and she now want look a soft girl era. And me just pray say just everything work out in her favor.
True. Me understand where I say for true, man. Me understand where I say for true.
Yeah, they not run certain joke.
But listen, you know. The lifestyle Rosealee used to, you know. She not go really, you see, yeah, like how you say she run calm certain joke or whatever. She not go really run it in the first half, you know. But after a while, our true self go start come out.
Yeah,
no matter what. After a while, our true self go start come out. You see it? And my boy not go depend that.
And then the way a lot of people I say, I'm telling you something. A long time I know Akeem, you know. Me and Akeem them, I'm tell you the truth. Me and Akeem them used to cuss. Me used to cuss myself, because me would normally cuss them and class them. And I call them all batty man, and everybody me cuss me call batty man and the thing them. We all know that. Thank you, baby. But me see people that say Akeem only do this for the internet. Me know Akeem. When Akeem and him girl named Latricia used to there. And if anybody on the internet follow Latricia and Akeem back then, everybody knows I saw Akeem still. Akeem buy things for Latricia, flowers too. The same treatment them where Rose get, and natural something for him can give Latricia them there. Was Benzema get the same treatment. Him is just that type of person. I just saying stay nah do it for no club. I know him long time. I know all them woman them. Majority of them when there with and I same treatment each and every one of them get. It's just that Rosealee more in the internet mode. All of them they're in the internet too, but Rosealee would have been bigger than the whole of them where him talk to him me know about. So him not do it for no whatever, but me just say and me can't say him not like her, but I'm just saying that me just scared say you know Rose fall deep and maybe him no want go so deep, but the backflash what him a go get it would have be a terrible backflash because the same people them will rate him and like him. If anything for go on and him say him no want in a relationship or him realize say it a go too deep than where him expect it for go, the people them a go class the youth and maybe him not do nothing about him just attack him honest opinion and them a class him in a jail and them a class him my class him and saying that I use Rosealee when him probably just now everybody just catch them feelings different and them all class him. But hopefully that not reach them and as I say who knows maybe Akeem really like her for true.
Who know them for know say dog not really need TikTok still.
Okay, I'm there for the money long time. I know I must have my class them and cost them back. Yeah, the money long time. Snipe!
Dog don't really need TikTok still, is it? And it's true that.
Stop. So what the message me here? Where set the Rose? What's up, Yancy? Where the Rose cuss you off?
No, me da say Rose. Me da say Rose.
Thank you, guys.
Me da say Rose dulululu, you know?
Why? Cause she like Akeem.
She say
Cause when me like somebody, me don't know if me delusional too. Me tell you something. You're a man, so you now go. You see a man love where a man feel, and a female love where a female feel it different. People that say man love more than our female, but I lie that I feel like woman love more than man, because guess what? Me we see imagine a girl, ladies, me I talk to Uno. Imagine you see one man where a year type can dress up swag, a fear type. Always groom, smell good, look good. Have him own a money, him not to live on TikTok. Or even if him live on TikTok, him still groom, him still look good, him smell good. Have a look at thugs thing about it. And him know how to treat you. Him have a romance thing, him have a look at gangster thing and a year type. And him a treat you good and know I do it for the TikTok or whatever. You go tell me say you not fall for him after a while. We know all meet in a real life and go up and all look at data, you smell how a man look good and him a give the vibes where you want. And I treat you how a man supposed to treat you. Of course you go fall for him. Worse if you know I'm single and he not a woman. And then him go kiss you for real in a club. Bumper clot, come on. Clot that Rosealee a win is a win. I wonder if you remember how Rosealee did up on her live a ball so Drake's gear bun and a hug up her daughter and a cry. Look there now. Me happy for her, me not saying a lie. Me happy for her. Watch this one here. And like dirty Jayden when I want to settle down with nobody. Just want live on a FFF. Blam them. Blam have to send me 5 bills first. Me nah look. Him have to send me 5 bills. That's it, me around put him. Rosealee a win, man. My win. Rosealee a win. She not cuss no more. She in her own little world. A fair time for shine. Everybody get them little time for shine.
Yeah, so make sure shine now.
Fair time for shine. Yeah. Everybody have them days when them go live and something happen in them live and
Hey, my people, my hope say the man them especially, you know, I listen what Ivany I teach. You see me I say because them something a real thing. And me I go tell you something, me learn them something from me a little youth, you know. So when me grow up, you know, and start look girl and something, no girl can take me for idiot. It's hard for a girl do that. She have to do that behind my back. Something women don't realize or something women don't you know. But once me know, me not stay in nothing way. Me say boy, me a idiot either. You're mad. How me for do that? And me learn from me a little youth to come up. You see me? Them something are real because the man with the woman love certain things she not gonna make him do. Certain arguments she not gonna bring to him. You see me I say? So let me know what to think with people, make go watch some more.
remember my time did come the time. My biggest highlight for me to get when me a breed. Remember when me did a breed right through and me keep my gender reveal 25,000 people. That was just my time. Jayden have him time when him and him ex them and the whole of them at it and him and him relationship issue when him used to go up and film date. All him have him look a romantic side too, you know.
Yes, I have my time. So when una see Rosealee enjoy herself, una don't watch Rosealee kinds and say una want to go back in a relationship. And for no time.
But you come now with the relationship thing, cause it's a trend. It's a trend. But I'm not what trend pan it. If you can trend pan it. You see the media, they not think out of the box. Everybody just want to do the same thing. You have to just come with something different and be you. And don't try to take the light out of Smaddy eye because you see Smaddy. Yeah, some people on the internet say no. Yeah, some people on the internet, they see Smaddy a win. And then can't just clutch back and just go and do some normal matter in them own little world. They have to force themselves to come out with something I like from the person there. Let me know how they do it. Who you drop word pan now?
Hey, me not dash no word, but that's true.
Yeah, that's word pan Smaddy, man.
Nah, that's not word pan nobody, darling.
No, for sure, you have some people like that. They want to take the eye out of You know? That's very good.
Yes! Eddie, beg your father.
Chat Jayden streaks to me not do. Take
Red
Jayden
eye.
streaks to me. You need to work on yourself too. When the people don't come beg you, just be respectful and say, boy, just not have it today. And it done.
Send me something, me tell her.
Thank you.
Eddie say if you unblock him.
Nah, you lying. Excuses, thank you, baby.
No, for real, himself if you unblock him for true, man.
Yeah, me look like a new TikToker to you.
Good message, wrong messenger. Go suck your mama.
Well, it no matter if I wrong messenger, I'm just glad I get the message. I'm glad you confirm it's a good message. Thank you. Thank you. It don't really matter where it come from. I'm just glad you know say a good message. Thank you for the money, gun brand snipe. You have a play.
Don't watch the messenger.
Brands, thank you, baby. Me don't care what them want. Say me just want to know them get it. Complain. So if me not have no money, a picnic can't see no snacks. Me I buy rice and me I buy chicken. You see when my man hungry, a man eat. In that if you buy the rice and the chicken and them. Though they eat rice and chicken though.
The younger one will eat it, but the older one will really eat food.
Oh, me and cause my son not eat no food. Boy, rough. Drag off, you go do better than this man. I have to send a couple more money. This is not my business, guys, for ask how much and when I think we need to know. We need for Chanel, we need to know for safety attest. How much money you?
Almost a little bit over 11 grand in St. County.
And Chanel, you buy one piece of chicken back out 11 grand.
I only buy rice. I only buy rice because I did have one tin food up here.
Chanel, what you buy with the money?
I buy Pampers, baby wipes. For them food, I buy milk, cereal, everything I know them eat. I buy them macaroni and cheese and them ramen noodle and them. Because of them, some of them eat. The older one will eat that, but if
Pampers expensive for chew money done and wipes the money done.
If me cook, the baby will eat it, but the older one not gonna really eat it.
Oh God, guys, I'm sell Chanel some gift, man. Me I beg you to do. Support her.
Put fruits expensive out there too, you know. Tete, no, don't do that. No, don't do that. Feel bad. Take up that way pull already. See there? Yeah, that.
Yes.
Chanel, you don't have PayPal.
Yeah, me have paper.
Oh God, shot. L party. Me go wait.
But eat it.
PayPal. Any PayPal and take your money tomorrow. Go buy chicken and rice for the kids. Why spell it PayPal, Chanel?
Wait, let me have to go right in the comments. I'm a name still SHANNELLUNIE. I want business PayPal, so I'm not gonna see it come up as a business.
SHANNEL.
Then one more L.
So two.
People, me not lie still, you know. This kind of look away, you know. Big man thing, you know, it look away still, you know. Me don't know if she have to do this or she just want to do it to get her money. But it look away if she say the picnic them grandmother, which is Annie, although we can't put the whole of the burden upon she because she never send nobody go breed and have no picnic. That's not her responsibility. But if you know say she did a book Airbnb all over the place, she buy a vehicle, you know what I mean, and the family hungry, it no look good. You understand me? I say in life, you know, my people, we have to have priorities, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah, we have to know what we need and what we just want. You see me, the car have to go drive around and palav and do this and do that. It don't really make no sense. You see me, that is not an asset. You see me, I say, no for we Jamaicans we make the mistake when we start make money, we buy pure, what I call it, you know, things will depreciate and things were not assets, them a liability. You understand? We need for when we start make some money, we buy things that are assets and things we are gonna benefit with. You understand me? So build a business. That are the first thing you're supposed to pray or invest in a something. That are the first thing you're supposed to pray when you start make a little money. Because you're gonna grow your money and take care of your family. You understand? And them the thing that you have to pray. Although, you know what I mean, me attack, I'm not perfect. You understand what I say? So wanna make me know what to think, me people. Make me watch some more.
L that.
Yeah, UNIE. Me can't pin it meanwhile me there not much. Me can't pin it.
UNIE.
Yeah.
That's all, no number, no nothing.
No number, nothing else than the panny, that's all.
Why picture panny?
I'm me the panny picture. Me no one red blood. It's not yours, that is for Tariq. Mashed potato them, they leave them alone. How much time you go eat? Me not just go now. Leave me alone.
That's a thing too, and a beer and throw a beer snacks, them a eat, them are hungry every minute. Chanel, like I the PayPal.
Yeah, me just give the two of them macaroni and cheese and 2 cup of juice and then come go and say hungry.
And you have to feed them, cause pitney them if they're hungry, you know. Guys, help her out, please, man. Help out Chanel. Oh God.
Watching me say.
Oh God, man, help her. If I even give her $200 at the night, you have to go buy some chicken. Chanel, when I get the money, I go buy chicken and rice tomorrow and the little things them and some seasoning, Chanel.
When me go cook, me always buy everything we need.
You can't buy if you cook one time. You have to go to this wholesale or the supermarket. Chanel, you have to go down at the wholesale tomorrow or the supermarket and pick up the rice, the bulk of rice and some chicken and some seasoning. So you can't have it. You can't have it to cook every day.
Yeah.
Guys, that's the PayPal. You can put me in a PayPal, man. If I evil $20, $30, me I beg you to make a safe up and play with her till 10 o'clock and see how much you can help her. The boy gear. Then again, we can't cuss youth neither, guys, because listen now.
Me not cuss him because he helped me.
No, I know you, Chanel.
Me not cuss him because he helped me.
Talk the people them in the comments. You can't really cuss Dragon neither, because guess what? Enough man in Jamaica now give their woman not even $10. Ma try. You're lucky you get 11,000. You're lucky you get 10,000 because guess what now? Some people chat not even get $10, you know. But he help with when he can give a little 11,000. But 11,000 and seem to be well heap of money in Jamaica to owe me, I think it is. Cause I look like everything down there $2,000. Guys, when I say apple then I chat, me not say apple comments. Me can't see to it and move fast. Guys, remember apple fish fry. September 13. Click the link in the bio and buy a fish fry ticket. $66. Come meet me. I mean a pepper spray, so try something. Guys, this is Chanel PayPal. Oh God, my team. Dad. Chat. Me I beg you please send some to the PayPal. When
you not ram we not drop it and make too much noise. Some people inside.
Also, I can't even manage as much as two of them. I'm mad. Chat, beg you send something to the girl. PayPal.
No, me not.
Please.
Going up file.
No, stop. No, have to touch my first.
She have all file here, Jayden.
You know what your truth?
Jayden.
You know what your truth?
I say have file for all away, so we know if you say no. All away, all you two.
Yes, sir.
And I say have file for all away, all you two. So we know if you say nothing.
Any file Anna have, tell Annie, you know what's on our fear file. Cause man not have eat out our blood clot.
That missing
she don't a relationship with man. Why you so fool, girl? Why you so fool?
One thing me say in the dog, me defend her and boy, tell me they let me out.
you still sit down with man because you think some man love you.
That the boy then I love him.
We know sir, every day you see style Anna. And every day you come on the live and you protect him. You protect him. We don't want to hear a story, girl. Keep a story, we don't want to hear it. Keep a story, we don't want to hear it. Continue to take a beating until the day you can't take up a foot and say, yeah, we come out of the relationship where the boy beat me, you can't chat. But for now, we don't want you chat. Take your beating, because you love beating. And keep your story, we don't want to hear it. Go back to God about that.
Hey man, tell him straight, say no love her, man. Boy. Wonder if I will call that time, I wonder if I time.
You don't have a time, you know. When you come back,
I ever cook kalalu on that bike, you know. Ever cook kalalu on that bike.
So what you come to talk about? You come for defend her?
No, me I tell them say me no want nobody to threaten me. I me no take threat. So anytime they're ready. I me I tell TikTok police that same thing me I tell TikTok police. Anytime he ready, cause me no afraid of him. Me don't know how I fool him. Yeah, alright. TikTok police alright, dog. Somebody have to go check if he alright. Cause something alright. I would say me afraid of him.
Man say one box you done.
You know come back to me dog man.
Man say afraid of him.
I want to tap him. Want to tap him. Want to tap him. I told me no one say certain things, you know.
Should I beat out Chanel Rasta, man?
No?
You tie Chanel?
Ask Chanel when last me put my hand on it.
What's you put your hand on her?
I tell no lie, they put me hand on her. Just like how you put your hand on a big C. And big C bite in your ass.
Big C shook me and me shook back our blood clot.
That me do. That me do. That me do.
If you don't want man lick, you better keep.
So, people want to tell more of the thing. There's a screen recording. I think I that one here when I share with Uno. Where Jagga share the I don't know if him when him share the voice note where Anna sent to him woman Chanel say Jagga give him bun and one bag of something people. Is it me? All Annie. Something about Annie too. You know what I mean? So if Jagga want blood, must flesh and blood, I bring him down to him woman. And that's why I tell you know people, yo, Chia, boy, I tell you, yo, people, wanna tell more on the thing, yeah, man. Because Anna, come like say she lick for her, you know, big woman thing. Cause some things I miss hear she say and do, you know. More than if she write it, you know, my people. Big woman thing, you know. Big woman thing.
Your blood clot onto yourself.
Alright. Now if you say fine.
You can't shoot me and me just take that. She give me a fly kick, bro. She give me a fly kick.
Fly kick?
Yeah, she give me a fly kick. If you can't take man lick, put your hand on your side.
You could do side that.
Huh?
You could do side that.
That one they put aside, my boy.
That one they quick.
It's a quick jet Li style, you know.
You want to hear the voice note, Jagga. Mika, let me back your phone and play a voice note. One more time. Me I pay you $100. Forward now. Mika, let me phone up. Friends like these who need enemies.
Oh, don't wait there. Wait the door shut. Nobody.
Nah, shut up.
Nobody.
Jayden, big.
Stop touching.
So when you give me wing, when are you wing?
No business.
Yo, careful. No, I get some. See verse later, guys. See verse later.
But I make a cookie, me no want it.
You see a man, a baby father, and all the baby father do a carry you down and beat you. All the baby father do is fuck by your word like a woman over your head, my girl. Tell the baby father to stop chatting and leave me alone. Since I him did there, they get so he can chat anything we want to chat. I'm tell you this, my girl, the baby father fuck by you. And you're the one of them as an idiot. Hear that? I don't care if you don't like me. Me a fight on the whole house. So tell Kaji, say, keep on running off the bumbo clap, my brother. Now come up, come tell the whole fucking story. Ramput. Big stinking waste, man. I'm here, man, the whole time I want to live I want to kill him and call with him, Anna. I load me, go load him up. He keep on chat on.
Who name Anna? Who name Anna? Who name Anna? Yeah.
When it's play match with Jayden?
No, I'm not playing a match. In the my life. Yeah.
What you Jayden I do?
We are start out a matter. No? No, sir.
And mind your business.
What is it? Who say for mind your business? Alright, Jayden, don't worry. Just let me get
Jamaica.
and don't be put job and pass with me.
Anna, we are talking about.
One of you come out of
So, mommy, you know, if you say, if you gang you boy, why may I get receipts? Somebody have me. I will report me, man.
If you're gang a boy, make sure somebody can gang it too.
Nika, me I go in your gallery, you know.
No, thank you.
Come to your phone.
Do not do that, Jabba. You talk about that smiley there?
Oh.
The smiley there.
Who red hands?
In your table.
You afraid of him?
No. We think that's a bit of a test of the other smiley there. You know, to call in here and not talk about it. For red hands? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
So, the first Yeah. For the hands you talk about, yes, Jabba. Yes.
Mika, go on, man.
Oh.
Yes.
I may say it already, you know. I'm broke, let me get fucked. I say it already, you know.
Oh, police name, I call police name.
No. Oh, a police attack?
No, that's the people who call and talk to it. Listen to me, Jabba, you're somebody they take you to joke.
No.
What them tell we say, what the people them tell we say, and I'm deal with some tuna calling me, I'm not cuss with him, I'm not mentioning it.
Oh.
So the other person, but the ants you talk about, the ants will do that thing there, talk about the ants.
Oh, the brother.
You understand what I'm saying, right? Yeah, go call the brother.
The brother.
So your food taste?
Yeah, man, the bad man. The bad.
You can't go on.
The bad.
You can't go on, though.
No, man, the bad. Top chef, me come and I want to hear you.
Okay.
Yeah? No other chef.
You don't find out life, I will see it later.
Me know.
So you free? So Taj, you afraid of you?
I don't know, I said. Afraid of you. I joke. Me can your food bad. Especially rice. And alone can cook.
Make you seafood.
So me know for sure.
I want
Curry chicken and rice and beans.
But the curry they look so white.
At the filter, man. A brown filter. Me look white. Everything look white. Have you your phone?
I feel that the carpet on the seat, no?
No, sorry. Alright. Where we have the filter? Huh?
Bago,
Call my phone.
So a white rice that?
Eh?
A white rice that?
No?
A brown rice?
Yeah.
What's it again?
I saw me one, man. That boy is style, man. I saw me one.
No corridor look like pop chow.
I saw me one, man. I bought my thing. I threw you one, so.
No, man.
Everybody has said they
No, the corridor look like pop chow, man. The corridor almost look like dumpling.
Have a fuck. Oh, Tada. Yeah, more Tada.
Hold on.
How about all me a fuck pan Chanel? Seriously. Sharp file for me. One go what's up file.
Anyway, food there.
I go for no.
Let me see food.
Me don't get my one in.
I'll go and pay food, let me see.
No, Jay, no. You're not putting in trouble.
Alright, my people. So we are go over figure it out and diamond you know. See? So let me know what you think in the comment section, my people.
Put Jagga in trouble. You and Jagga there yourself? Put Jagga in trouble, not me. Bye-bye. Me gone over Conrad.
Jayden a go like King can't cook. You can't cook.
Oh!
What Jayden?
Hey, me gone to Conrad, bye.
For me can't cook, Jagga can't cook, you know. You real Jagga me.
Nah, you can't cook. You can't cook.
No, man, the real Jagga me a talk about, man. You know who are real Jagga, don't?
Eh.
Who are real Jagga?
Oh, Jagga, man.
Tough.
Jagga. Me bro, kill a dog.
So you eat your ass, you know?
Get you one back, man.
Get you one back, man.
Oh. That's why I like my tripod, you know, because if I eat me, just go stand touch us or so.
No, man.
That's the screenshot. That I eat that night bigger.
I said, bud.
I buy one for you.
But I say I could buy one for me, make it people and done me, I get it, huh?
Done it for
I say,
yeah, give me this, you can't tell more for you.
I say, no spend no money for me, and I get it.
But in a year, I'm on this tripod, missing.
Keep your money, man. You see, my one not turn up like this.
Alright, no.
But you can't get it
done.
Alright?
Done.
Nobody vex it, man.
Alright, done. Too enough.
Enough, show me something I want.
Me too enough.
Not enough, man. Thank you, yeah?
Alright, I pearl and if I look scream, I
say thanks.
Alright, done.
Beside, enjoy the night, and team. Chat, when I go here to I build up a split, I'm going to read so you don't look a bit. She have to carry me home. She know she would let her know.
Carry home. Carry home.
And tomorrow I have to come back and tomorrow the interview.
Maybe I come to you?
Yeah, I have to come for me.
That's what me not last.
Chat, can you believe that? My car not working, so Shawty gotta come for me. So I guess who a passenger prince?
You?
That must me. Passenger prince. Foot panda and be a thing.
Me there.
Oh, I'm Tona.
I drive over though. You know I drive over?
You good still, come here.
You know I drive over?
Me not no problem.
You drive over, me drive come back. Wow. You know like drive me car?
Get car fast, you know. Too fast.
Depends on the car. Why like you want to get one? Bring down the car, you know.
Stop your foolishness.
Unnecessary.
No, mix it, man. No, mix it, man. You. So all the mother like.
Mix it fast. No, can't press it like
mix it fast. Mix it fast, patrol, man. Chat, I can't tell her about her Bexy and her Bexy fast.
My dear, me love it.
I love her Bexy too.
Yeah.
But you see one thing I can't troll about, the car fucking comfortable.
Which one about me car?
I can't trouble her about that stuff. The car real comfortable. And it drive better than how my Jaguar ever drive. Cause you not feel no bumper or nothing.
No.
It drive better than my Jaguar. I'm not telling that. I'm not even trying to be funny.
You try to be funny.
No, your car drive better than my Jaguar in a comfort wise. My car is a racing car, it's not comfort. I car comfortable for show, man. It drive good. Drop in a patrol and I feel it. None time. I'm not trying to be funny, I'm talking true.
He's a papa me car, man. He's a papa me.
You know the panic car?
No, the panic car. You jump?
Yes, me frost. You remember some of the car moment about what I drink Magnus, I mean a look.
No.
Cause Dad never carry one. Although me drive fast, right?
Like one night when she drunk and that's what she know.
Me don't junk. They love to talk about people drunk too much. Junking mass people can't drive.
She just have what some video I hear. So me there go ahead.
I lie, me know say so me I go and me say. Me never junk. I don't know when people junk. If me did junk, I would remember nothing when I say.
I never fully drunk.
Me never know where I'm junk.
I said it's charge.
In charge.
I said they lick a tip jump.
This been me just very in one bad mood.
I get a quarter jump.
Charge. Just in a mood.
I'm just like admit when I said.
Me never jump. If me jump, I tell the plane. If me did jump, me then go run the car steering wheel. And I tell the plane so me can't go run. First of all, when people jump, they lean and vomit. You can't see road if me jump to drive.
Alright, people, let me know what you think in the comment section. We're going to move on to the next.